But yeah, this is
Hey guys! So today we're doing a little vlog. Oh,
Today,
Rachel's
this
trying
whole week.
to open the thing. Oh, okay.
Of course.
Ass in the face right there. That's what I needed. Hi guys. So today we are starting a vlog. I'm with the gals today. We're taking a trip to Morgantown, West Virginia. Basically, we're starting a vlog. We're gonna have the time of our lives, and we're gonna vlog the whole time for you.
fully standing. And that would be... So, update, we have an hour and 52 minutes left. And it feels like we've already been in the car for at least 8 hours.
It kind of does feel like that.
Oh, I've been talking about... Now we're about, what, you would say like an hour and 30 minutes into the trip?
Yeah, I'd say.
Almost halfway there.
Almost. We know we're halfway there when we see the medical marijuana place.
No way!
There's not really much else to say. We're just on a nice straight road. Actually, it's not really straight. We're like in the mountains.
It's really pretty though. Audio.
That like smells bad. Ow, my ears just popped so bad!
Nice little room house tour. The kitchen.
Nah. So here's our dinner. Here's Rage. Let's just
Piece
get a
of
nice...
pizza, 4 chicken nuggets.
It's like 100 degrees in here, so we'll eat dinner and we'll come back to you. So we're just chilling, having the time of our lives.
Good morning. Here we are. Anna's hair.
Yep.
Looking
Fancy.
Interesting.
very interesting. Quick room tour. Tapestry right here. You got the nice unmade bed. Just slept for the night.
Just slept for the night.
What? Do I look bad?
Yeah, I'm kidding. So then we have Anna's nice, beautiful desk. And then the TV that Jessie actually constructed the TV stand yesterday. Beautiful work. Ew. Beautiful work. And then we have this nice curtain.
From Walmart.
So now, what are we doing?
We're waking up.
We're waking up. Probably gonna eat some breakfast. Head to the lake, get our piercings today. So story time real quick. Basically, I have wanted a nose piercing for 2 years now, and I've always been on and off about it. So that's what we're doing today. Bess is getting hers. I'm gonna do a YouTube.
Rachel's like,
Alright, this is breakfast. Anna's breakfast. Any words?
it's a good breakfast.
Slight situation, so Jessie made the bagel out of the kindness of her heart.
I said it was nice. I felt bad.
And put a lather of cream cheese on it. And if you know, Anna doesn't like cream cheese, so she scraped it off.
Good morning. So we just got up. I look awful. It's about 10:30. We're gonna get ready and go to a lake, I think, but we'll show you that.
Quick kayak sesh.
Quick kayak sesh. Okay, so we just got to the lake, and we would film in there, but knowing one of us, we're gonna drop the camera into the water. So we're not gonna do that, but we'll get some shots of the lake.
We're gonna paddleboard, by the way.
Yeah, we are.
First time paddleboarding.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Really
Or
nervous.
really bad.
Yep, it could be very bad.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay.
All right.
Well, that's
See
it.
you if we make it back from the lake.
If you're seeing this, we survived.
Yeah.
Update. Paddleboarding was a success.
Rachel lost her sunglasses. Caitlin fell about 45 times.
Yep. I only fell once.
Yeah.
I just got so scared to hit the board.
I know. I did think I was gonna crack my face open on the board, but it was fun.
It was very fun. We had a nice time.
It was a fantastic time. Definitely recommend doing it.
The guys were actually really cute.
They were. That guy was hot. We didn't bring the GoPro, so we couldn't really get anything while we were out there, but I'll try to like get a few shots in the water. So.
Ew, the Halsey voice.
Yeah.
So update, we just ate
Oh.
and Anna is now driving us back to the Quick apartment.
Okay, so on the expedition of trying to get piercings, we've gone to how many places? 7, maybe?
Probably 6, 7.
7 places. No one is piercing and or open, but we did find one single piercing place.
Appointment tomorrow at 12:30.
Appointment tomorrow, 12:30.
Shout out Brandon Bailey Piercing.
Yeah.
We will take you all along.
Yeah. You want like an action shot of putting on your shoes? Yeah.
First time on the blog.
Vlog with a V. Yep.
What up YouTube? Subscribe to Tigger Rocks. Make sure you leave a thumbs up on this video.
Perfect.
10 out of 10.
Thank you. You watch my videos, right?
Like everyone.
Yep.
Big fan.
No, you.
Follow her on Instagram.
Thank you for your support.
Why police officers reason put your career at risk in 30 seconds of smartphone video. Take it.
Okay, so good morning. It's our last day here. We are about to go and do some exciting things, which you will see. We're going to try to vlog it. But I wanted to show you guys the place right now as we're leaving. So, Rachel, want to give the tour?
Yes.
Okay, wait.
So here we have.
Yeah.
Here, guys, give the tour.
The tour.
Yeah.
So she hates me. Family room, nice couch.
The covers are a little whack right now. We're going to fix them.
In here. Here's Anna's
Wait, this is the front door. This is the front
Oh, yeah.
door right there.
And
Okay.
then we can show the hallway.
Okay.
This is Anna's room.
My purse is sitting there.
She has a door that leads into the hallway.
I have 3 doors actually.
3 doors, actually.
Door that leads into the hallway.
This is the kitchen.
Always, we got Caitlin.
Fun fact of this kitchen. This, sir, right here, gets just as hot as this, sir.
Yeah.
It's like MTV Cribs.
MTV. Oh, it's really dark in this hallway.
So, this closet. I'll go into this room.
Okay. Closet by the front door.
Hello.
Goes through
All the way
massive, massive closet. That's it, shawties.
Shotties.
We will vlog our adventures coming up very soon, so peace out.
So update, we are on our way. We just parked at the piercing place. We're all gonna get holes in our face. I'm getting a nose piercing. Rachel, what are you getting?
Nose piercing.
My Rook. It's an inner ear piercing.
I don't know, what am I getting? What is it called?
Forward helix.
Forward. Can't wait.
Alright, we're gonna try to vlog on with us getting it, but high likelihood we'll not be able to do that, so.
We're gonna do our best.
Yeah, alright. This is gonna be so funny. Alright, so we're going. About to get a hole in our face. Ah.
So, we just got to the piercing place. Caitlin just went in because we're only allowed to go in one at a time. So now I'm a little scared.
Now we can't chicken out.
Yeah, we can't chicken out, and we also can't film it, so that like sucks, but it's fine.
I'm gonna try to see if I can like ask him to film it on my phone.
Yeah.
Just put some. That's so
We're like getting piercings alone.
like in Morgantown.
In Morgantown. You guys are gonna like look at your nose piercings every day and be like, I did that in Morgantown. It's like raining and humid. We're in this little alleyway here. I'll show you like the street view. Construction. Street view. Nice Morgantown Street, Beechurst, so that's where we are. Here we are. There's Rach in the alley. I'll update you when I have my ear hole pierced. Except I'm going last, so you'll probably see the other people first.
He said, I can do anything else but a rope.
No! Caitlin isn't getting her rook pierced because they don't have curved barbells. Bye! See you when my face is pierced.
Oh. Okay, reveal.
No.
Yes! Shiny cube!
I feel like I have a booger in my nose.
Yeah, it feels like that for a while.
I wanted to show you something.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Did you like cry?
Let's see it.
Little reveal.
Wait, it looks so good!
Oh my god, Rachel. Alright. Now we're waiting for Anna. She's in there.
Well, you just.
Alright, we're gonna update when Anna comes out.
Yay!
I'm making this clip strictly so Anna can see it.
I know.
Little does anybody know that I filmed a video of everyone slumped last night. I filmed a video of you guys like absolutely like just passed out. Like 1:30 when you were like, I didn't even notice I was laying down.
Oh yeah.
Alright.
There she is.
Wait, I can't. There.
No, I like actually didn't
Oh, that
know
looks
he
so
did it.
good.
Update, we are in the car. We are finally on our way home. Took a little longer than expected. We had like 8 things on the to-do list, but now lunch. As you guys already are aware, the piercer couldn't do my earring because he didn't have the supplies.
Anna taught me this now that I can't like plug my nose to pop my ears. Okay, I got it.
Can you see it?
We made it back home. Caitlin's gonna get her earrings. Yay! The earrings she wanted.
Here's my ear right now. Got the 5 going on. 6th is going right into here. The middle.
Oh yeah.
Alright.
Okay. Rook piercing. Done and
I'm
dusted,
nervous.
baby. Yay.
Ooh,
Whoa!
I like.
Yeah, it's a big bar. Like, holy.
Did it hurt?
Like, kind of.